If you are an aspiring freelancer, you're tired of your 9 to 5 grind, and you just want to be your own boss, then this video is for you. Usapan natin, kasi yung question dito ni Dre, when ulit daw magkakaroon ng class for PPC specialist, and may open and close parenthesis na Amazon VA. Magkaiba yan. Let's talk about bakit nga ba kailangang matuto ng isang aspiring freelancer ng PPC or pay-per-click advertising. It's actually media buying. Set up kayo ng ads. Ang ginagawa ng PPC is it allows freelancers to diversify their services. So, hindi lang kayo mag-offer ng services sa virtual assistant, pwede nyo na siyang i-offer as a separate service na apart from being your virtual assistant, I know how to run PPC ads, how to set up ads on Google, Facebook, Instagram. A lot of clients right now, and a lot of businesses, they rely on PPC advertising to drive traffic, to perhaps generate leads, increase yung conversion, or yung basically just to fill the sales pipeline na lang hindi pa nga bentang-benta. So, they're just looking for help in getting more leads sa pipeline nila na pwede nilang i-convert to possible customers. Another thing na ginagawa ng PPC specialist, kaya high demand siya ngayon, is yung expertise mo as someone who's able to offer PPC. Is you're able to offer comprehensive digital marketing solutions. So, if ang gusto nyong gawin is, diba, ang dami nagtatanong, pwede bang, meron ka bang ino-offer na FB course o FB ads? Kasi nga, na-highlight siyang masyado, siyang na-hype. Nasabi ko lagi, bakit ba FB ads lang yung gusto nyo? How about pag-aralan nyo mag-run ng ads sa lahat ng platforms? Google, Instagram, lalo na ngayon, TikTok. If marunong kang mag-run ng PPC, clients often prefer to work with freelancers who can handle multiple aspects of digital marketing. And by incorporating PPC into your skill set, bilang freelancer, you can offer more comprehensive solutions kagaya ng combining PPC with content marketing or SEO strategies, and it really helps improve client results. Alam ko yung PPC advertising, it requires strategic planning, keywords, research, and campaign optimization. Pero pag na-master mo na kasi si PPC, hindi lang for Amazon, but for, let's say, ang target market mo is real estate business, or gusto mo sanang mag-service ng clients na nasa e-commerce industry, diba? So, hindi lang Amazon. As long as you know the basics of PPC, you should be able to tap into different industries. Tapos, kagaya rin lang yan ang paghahanap ng niche. Mararamdaman mo kung ano yung pinakang comfortable ka. Yung mga tao na marunong ng PPC or may idea how PPC works, at lalo na kapag na-master nila yon, they stay ahead of the competition. As a freelancer, market continues to evolve, and staying updated with the latest digital marketing trends is crucial. By learning PPC, freelancers or aspiring freelancers can stay ahead of their competition and position yourselves as experts in the field. Ultimately, ang PPC allows an aspiring freelancers have this competitive edge to expand your service offerings, you enhance your potential in the dynamic world of digital marketing and freelancing. So, if you guys are interested to join, we actually have PPC class, and may kasama na siyang internship. Yes po, may kasama na rin po siyang certificate after nun. But before nyo makuha yung internship, mag-application book muna kayo, tuturuan muna namin kayo kung paano mag-apply. Magpa-final activity kayo, magwa-one-on-one kayo with me, wala kayong choice. Kailangan nyo muna akong makausap, i-interviewin ko kayo, magpa-practice tayo ng interview para sigurado ako na bago kayo i-certify for a particular class na dinaanan nyo sa amin is that you are truly ready to face the freelancing world. If you are interested, meron kaming class this coming, next week pala yun. Next week. So, i-check nyo na lang yung form. Here's how to enroll. Baka mamaya may magtanong na naman kung how to enroll, ha? Ganito kung paano mag-enroll, okay? Kung dito nyo to napanood sa TikTok, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Kung napanood nyo naman siya sa Instagram, i-click nyo lang tong link na to. Kung nasa Facebook ko naman kayo, i-check nyo yung caption. Kung nasa YouTube naman kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung description box. You will then be taken to this page. Makikita nyo, PPCVA, 999 pesos lang po siya. So yes, sa 999 pesos, kasama na doon yung live sessions, 2 live sessions yon na morning. Pagkatapos, i-record yung session, bibigyan kayo ng kopya ng recording ng session kung hindi man kayo available sa oras na yon. Pagkatapos, 2 weeks yung internship ninyo, you'll have access sa accounts talaga. You'd be able to, I think, run ads talaga. Hindi ko lang masabi kung kayo talaga yung magpupush or kung i-guide kayo ni Coach Grace or kung ano pa man yung magaganap doon sa internship. But you guys have 2 weeks of internship. So, meron kayong gamitin na i-add sa portfolio ninyo. Pagkatapos, magkakaroon tayo ng application book session, magkakaroon tayo ng final activity, magpa-practice tayo kung paano sumagot ng interviews. Pagkatapos, saka kayo makakakuha ng certification. Completos recados na yan, ha? Bekya naman. Anyway, if you guys have any questions about this class, i-comment nyo lang siya dito. Follow for more work from home chismis, and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!